Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Today, we're diving in on how to halt the spread of vehicle rust. Join us as we uncover effective methods to stop rust in its tracks and protect your car's body from further deterioration. When it comes to vehicle maintenance, preventing rust is key to preserving your car's longevity and value. Rust can spread quickly and cause significant damage if not addressed promptly. In this video, we will discuss effective strategies to prevent vehicle rust from worsening and provide practical tips to keep your car rust-free for years to come. Whether you're dealing with surface rust or more advanced corrosion, implementing these preventive measures can help maintain the appearance and structural integrity of your vehicle. Vehicle rust can be a frustrating and costly issue for vehicle owners. Understanding how rust develops and the common areas where it occurs can help you prevent and address this problem effectively. What causes vehicle rust? Vehicle rust is primarily caused by the prolonged exposure of metal to moisture and oxygen. When the metal surface comes into contact with water or road salt, it creates an electrochemical reaction that leads to the formation of rust. Additionally, environmental factors such as humidity and temperature fluctuations can accelerate the corrosion process. Common areas where rust develops. Undercarriage. The undercarriage is particularly vulnerable to rust due to its exposure to moisture, road salt, and other corrosive substances. Wheel wells. Accumulated dirt and moisture in the wheel wells create an ideal environment for rust formation. Door edges and frames. These areas are prone to rust, especially if the paint is chipped or scratched, exposing the metal to the elements. Trunk and hood. Moisture can get trapped in the seams of the trunk and hood, leading to rust development over time. Understanding these common areas of rust formation can help you proactively inspect and address any signs of corrosion, ultimately preventing it from worsening. Regular cleaning and waxing. Regular cleaning and waxing are essential practices to prevent vehicle rust from worsening. By incorporating these tasks into your regular car maintenance routine, you can effectively protect your vehicle's exterior from the damaging effects of rust. Importance of regular cleaning. Regular cleaning is a simple yet powerful way to prevent rust from taking hold of your vehicle. When dirt, grime, and salt residue accumulate on the exterior of your car, they can trap moisture, which is a significant catalyst for rust formation. By regularly washing your car, you can remove these harmful elements and minimize the risk of rust. Benefits of waxing your vehicle. Waxing your vehicle provides a protective barrier that shields the paint from environmental factors that can lead to rust. The wax forms a waterproof seal that helps repel water, preventing it from clinging to the surface and causing oxidation. Additionally, waxing helps to maintain the luster of your car's paint, ensuring that it remains in top condition for years to come. Regular waxing not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your vehicle but also serves as a proactive measure against rust. By incorporating regular cleaning and waxing into your car maintenance routine, you can effectively fend off the threat of rust and preserve the integrity of your vehicle's exterior. Rust-resistant coatings. Undercoating. Undercoating is a protective layer applied to the underbody of a vehicle to shield it from rust and corrosion caused by moisture, salt, and other environmental factors. This thick, rubberized coating forms a barrier, preventing water and salt from reaching the metal surface and causing rust. It also helps to deaden sound and reduce road noise. When applied correctly, undercoating provides long-lasting protection for the vehicle's undercarriage. Rust inhibitors. Rust inhibitors are chemical compounds that are applied to the metal surfaces of a vehicle to slow down or prevent the formation of rust. These inhibitors work by forming a protective barrier that prevents moisture and oxygen from reaching the metal, thus inhibiting the oxidation process that leads to rust formation. Rust inhibitors are often used in combination with other rust-resistant coatings to provide comprehensive protection against corrosion. Sealants. Sealants are designed to seal and protect the vehicle's exterior surfaces from moisture and contaminants that can lead to rust formation. These products are applied to the painted surfaces of the vehicle, creating a protective barrier that repels water and prevents oxidation. Sealants also help to maintain the shine and luster of the vehicle's paint finish, providing both aesthetic and protective benefits. Regular application of sealants can significantly extend the lifespan of the vehicle's exterior and minimize the risk of rust development. Hey there! If you like what you're seeing, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Repairing scratches and chips. Importance of immediate repair. Scratches and chips on your vehicle's surface may seem minor, but they can lead to accelerated rust formation if left untreated. When paint is scratched or chipped, it exposes the bare metal underneath to moisture, which can start the rusting process. Promptly repairing these imperfections is crucial in preventing rust from taking hold and spreading. D versus professional repair. For minor scratches and chips, a DIY repair can be a cost-effective option. Many automotive retailers offer touch-up paint kits that match your vehicle's color, making it relatively simple to fill in small blemishes. However, for larger or more extensive damage, such as deep scratches or multiple chips, it's advisable to seek professional assistance. Professional repair not only ensures a seamless finish but also addresses underlying issues that may not be apparent to untrained eyes. Additionally, a professional repair may come with a warranty, providing added peace of mind. By addressing scratches and chips promptly, you can maintain the integrity of your vehicle's paint job and prevent the onset of rust. Whether opting for a DIY approach or professional assistance, the key is to act swiftly to thwart the advancement of rust. Proper maintenance of the undercarriage. Maintaining the undercarriage of your vehicle is crucial to prevent rust from spreading and causing extensive damage. By following proper maintenance techniques, you can ensure that your vehicle remains in top condition for years to come. Washing the undercarriage. Regularly washing the undercarriage of your vehicle is a simple yet effective way to prevent rust from taking hold. Road salt, grime, and other debris can accumulate underneath the car, leading to corrosion over time. When washing the undercarriage, use a high-pressure washer to thoroughly remove any buildup, paying special attention to the wheel wells and suspension components. Additionally, consider using a specialized undercarriage cleaner to target stubborn areas and protect against rust formation. Rust-proofing the undercarriage. Rust-proofing the undercarriage is a proactive measure to safeguard your vehicle against corrosion. Applying a rust-proofing coating or undercoating can provide a protective barrier against moisture and environmental elements, mitigating the risk of rust formation. It is advisable to consult a professional auto technician who can recommend the appropriate rust-proofing products based on the specific needs of your vehicle. Investing in rust-proofing treatments can significantly extend the lifespan of your vehicle's undercarriage and minimize the potential for rust-related issues. By incorporating these maintenance practices into your vehicle care routine, you can effectively combat the damaging effects of rust and preserve the structural integrity of your vehicle for years to come. Preventing vehicle rust from getting worse is crucial for maintaining the value and longevity of your car. By regularly washing and waxing your vehicle, addressing any paint chips or scratches promptly, and applying rust inhibitors to vulnerable areas, you can effectively slow down the progression of rust. Additionally, keeping the underside of your car clean and free of debris can help prevent rust from spreading. Remember, early intervention is key to preventing minor rust spots from turning into major corrosion issues. By following these preventive measures, you can keep your vehicle looking great and running smoothly for years to come. Keep your vehicle looking sharp and rust-free by implementing these techniques. Stay tuned for more valuable car care tips. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.